Catnap, guess what we're doing? What? We're going to the pool. Yay! Could Dog Day's mom take him to the car? Of course, so let's hit the road. Your direction is Zoo Party Pool. Wow, direction knows everything. Never mind, I'll answer, but you can make me drive, okay? I hate wearing my seatbelt. Wait, what's going on? Stop doing that, puppy! That's not funny! Stop, puppy! No, puppy, stop! Stop it, puppy! Stop!
2,000 years later.
Wait, what? No! Did you hear that? Never mind, you can drive. I don't know why this always happens. I'll keep driving. I don't know why it keeps happening. Catnap, if you don't put on your seatbelt, then you'll get hurt, okay? Okay, thank you, Mom.